Okay, I'll be quick and brief here. 303-666-9020. JeepsUnlimited.net. Again, that's JeepsUnlimited.net. Listing a right front section. It's not all the way to the front because the beam across it is obviously not there. It's kind of the corner of the front. So you got your control arm mounts, upper and lower. Your first cross member there, and then motor mount, and then your coil spring and shock tower there. So JK, Jeep Wrangler JK. Look at it closely. There's absolutely no rust. There's no rot anywhere obviously, and then it is straight. There's nothing bent on this frame whatsoever, this frame section. So give it you a nice overview there. That's going to do it for me. 303-666-9020. JeepsUnlimited.net. Give you this frame section and other sections like it. Appreciate you taking a look.